I'm tired of it, man. I mean, the controllers are very boring and the keyboards are too. Where's the excitement, the immersion, and the feeling of actually driving the car? I'm tired. I'm really disappointed. So I should make something for this.
I was acting. Or was I?
Well, what if I told you you could drive a car without a steering wheel? What if I told you you could drive just with your hands? So I wanted to play racing games, but controllers, too boring. Keyboards, too basic. And real steering wheels, too expensive. So I did what any sane person would do. I forced my computer to recognize my hands as a steering wheel because why not? Could you just adore this view? So beautiful, man. So let's get into our video. Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are diving into a project that is straight out of a sci-fi movie, but with a healthy dose of engineering madness. I'm going to show you how to build a hand gesture control system that lets you simulate keyboard inputs so you can control things like acceleration, braking, moving left or right, etc. Think of it as your very own futuristic driving simulator without the messy steering wheel. So let's dive into it.
One eternity later.
Alright, so I'm not a Python wizard or something. I'm just a normal human being. So I just threw some Python skills and sprinkled some GPT magic, and boom, here is your very own hand controlled steering wheel. Pretty cool, right? Very cool, man. Anyway, I'm not gonna explain the code because code is so boring, man, and it is for nerds. I was just kidding. I'm explaining the code. You really thought I wouldn't explain the code? Absolutely fool you are. First we import some libraries like OpenCV for video, Mediapipe for hand tracking, and PyAutoGUI to simulate key presses. Easy peasy. See, I have imported the three libraries here. In this we set up Mediapipe and OpenCV to capture video and track hands. This is where the magic happens. And in the cv2.video capture 0, the 0 is for default webcam of the laptop. You can use 1 for the external camera. If you are using the external camera, you have to change or replace 0 with 1. This function calculates the angle between 2 points, helping us to steer left or right. Next, in this we check if the thumb is up for the acceleration and down for the braking. In this we set up flags for key presses and parameter for turn sensitivity and straight steering. Tweak this for your perfect control. In the main loop we capture video, detect the hand landmarks, and calculate the steering angle. This is where it all comes together. This is the main part of the code. Based on angle, we simulate key presses for turning and display left or right on the screen. It's like driving with your hands. We also check the thumb positions for acceleration and braking, displaying labels on the screen. Finally, we display the video feed and exit the loop when escape is pressed. Okay, now I'll be explaining the working of the code or the working of the virtual steering wheel. So I'll run this code. Okay, there's a camera feed here. If I bring my hand in front of it, so the landmarks are shown. So if I press the accelerator, the W key is pressed on the keyboard, and if I press the brake, the S key is pressed on the keyboard, and if I turn left, the A key is pressed in the keyboard. If I turn right, the D key is pressed in the keyboard, and the straight threshold is 6, because if I keep my hands between -6 degree to 6 degree, the car will move straight. Then if I turn my hands above -6 degree, then the car will go left. and if I turn my hands to more than 6 degrees, my car will move right. So this is the working of the hand tracker. Here I have added the tap duration for 0.01 for a second. So because the tap duration variable controls how long each key presses last. Think of it like tapping the steering wheel lightly to make a quick turn. For example, if the tap duration is set to 0.1 seconds, the key will be pressed and released quickly, making the turn feel snappy and responsive. If it's set to 0.5 seconds, the turn will feel more deliberate and slower. And that's it. Here is your DIY hand control steering wheel.
I love gaming day and night, but something never felt quite right. Boom, controllers, not too lame. Gear parts, man, they're all the same. Real wheels cost a ton of cash, so I said scroll that and made my own virtual steering wheels. Just my hands and some Python code. Now I drive like a hacker in beast mode. Then I built a wheel with my own two hands. No more plastic, just real commands. Steering smooth, feels so real. Now I'm the king of the virtual wheel. Why pay big? That's just insane. I built my own, now I rule the game. Subscribe for more stupid and fun projects.
This project is a perfect blend of computer vision, basic trigonometry, and some good old Python scripting. It's not just cool trick, it's a glimpse of how gesture control system of future might work. And yes, it's a little chaotic, just like engineering should be sometime. Now I can play the racing games with fun and less boring. Yes, but more importantly, if you believe in something that's stupid enough, you can make it real. That's the magic of engineering. So if you like this project, smash that like button, subscribe for more engineering projects, and drop a comment if you have any wild project ideas regarding AI robotics, electronics, and computer vision. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, future is in your hands. Bye.